就这了嘛，他们不都给上来那么没把它去了，刚输。We got our ALC bearings in there now, coated ALC bearings on the Vine Crower H-beam rods. Now you can see, here's the end cap. This is called a rod cap. For you kids that don't know, this is a rod cap. It has its bearings in there. There's a little notch on the end of the rod cap, and there's also a little part of the bearing that goes there too. So the bearings go accordingly. Alright? And also, these have a certain way they go. See there's numbers on this side? Okay. On the rod, there's also numbers on one side. So these numbers match up together. Like that. See the numbers there. Nó old STi Pistons rồi. Cho Hyper U Tech. Chứ nó bố lại. Thế khoanh được. Xem được. Vinh làm bố tan cho. Vinh làm bố tan cho. Nhà chị bố nó thì trong nó. Low compression. Nó do cho bearing. Come here. More a lot of guts. Nó cho ra bearing. Tao thấy có phụ chút lăng lên nó nữa, nó thấy nếu mà nó ta à, có copper coating nhá, học cao, có steel coating nhá, on top nữa. Là nhà có chờ soft steel, soft coating. Tan cho ra bearing nó bột tan cho lại đây. Tao thấy crane nó thấy nhìn mà scuff down lại đây. Có cái run. Put the fingernail across, man. If you run your fingernail across, you should not feel any of those scores at all. So this crank is toast. Your JDM STi crank, no, that's what I'm going to put on it. The noya more two oiling holes in it. On the feet, man. See this one? The more to learn over there. Don't know, chump the shunt, pinch on it. The JDM, no, anymore. Low lower, do not. Chump the sound the sign of chump the jumping on. It has on all three main bearings. One there, this one, and the one in back. The JDM crank has that on the two O's. The new WRX revised crank has that too. But the very first cranks that are on the production WRX does not have it. The STi does not have that either, but that's probably one reason why it dies. So, good morning, guys.